Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to crypto.com. So for those people who do not know Coinbase, Coinbase is the world's largest crypto exchange, not largest, the second largest. It is right below Binance, and crypto.com is a platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto similar to Coinbase, but in crypto.com you guys can create yourself a debit card for crypto. I mean, it's the first platform which provides you debit card for using crypto. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can send Ethereum from Coinbase to crypto.com. Now before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link which is in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. Now let's get into the video. Now the first step is you want to copy the wallet address of Ethereum from your Coinbase wallet. Alright, you want to copy the wallet address of Ethereum from your crypto.com account. Alright, now remember to make sure you copied the wallet address of Ethereum, because if you copied the wallet address of something else, then your Ethereum will be sent to another wallet. So make sure to copy the wallet address of Ethereum, and after you do that, come to coinbase.com and log in into your account. Then go and press the send and receive. Once you go over here, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. So I want to transfer 5,000 rupees worth of Ethereum. So this is not 5,000 Ethereum, but 5,000 rupees worth of Ethereum. All right. So once you do that, click on versus pay with, and then choose Ethereum. So the short form of Ethereum is ETH. So don't get confused. Once you choose Ethereum, you want to paste the wallet address which you copied from your crypto.com over here where it says to. Once you paste it, click on versus continue, and your Ethereum will be sent from Coinbase to crypto.com. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can transfer your Ethereum from Coinbase to crypto.com. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for future videos just like this. And don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Coinbase, and bye bye.